How on earth can you talk about Tez for 5 or 10 minutes? It's almost an impossible task. But I think we can all agree she's a pretty special girl. Luc really showed the kind of man he is after the loss of our Bron during what was the hardest time our family have ever had to go through. And I think that's when I truly appreciated that Tez had found a real good one. Oh my God. I know I was crying, but looking that way, Tez, you look absolutely stunning. Thank you. Luc, you are officially part of Tesni world now. Just remember a few simple rules. Occasionally, things will get lost. Glasses may get knocked over, and sometimes logic just doesn't apply. But I promise you this, it's a very loving place to be.
I, Luc Matthew Kyron Doby.
Take you, Tesni Elizabeth Morgan.
Take you, Tesni Elizabeth Morgan.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
Luc, I give you this ring.
As a sign of our love and marriage.
As a sign of our love and marriage.
It is my privilege to declare that you are now legally married. You are husband and wife, and can I invite you to share your first married kiss?
You've only got to look around the room and see the relationships that you have with everybody here that tells anybody anything that they need to know about you. A dependable and loyal friend, an incredibly strong and supportive daughter, a caring and thoughtful partner, and one day, soon, hopefully, the best mum.
I've no doubt that I speak on behalf of everyone here today when I say that I am so excited by what's to come for you both.
I have never met a couple more unapologetically themselves around each other. You balance one another, you support one another, and you laugh a lot.